All right guys, we got another truck video for you guys today. And in my opinion, there is nothing that makes a truck look meaner than a good heavy duty bumper. So in this video, we're gonna be talking about the Stealth Series bumpers from Road Armor. Now I do have the front and rear Road Armor bumpers for my 2022 F250, and we're gonna get in here and take a look at the features of it and talk a little bit about why you might want something like this. But first guys, if you haven't done it yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below, hit that notification bell, and give us a thumbs up. Let's take a look. All right, again guys, this is the Stealth Series bumper from Road Armor. Now they do make a few different versions of this. You can see this is the Winch bumper, and we're going to talk a little bit more about the winch that I have in here, also from Road Armor here in just a minute. But you also notice that I have the pre-runner bar here. Now not only does that give a lot more protection for my front grille, but I think it adds a little bit more of that mean look to the truck. Road Armor also offers this bumper without the bar, so you can get just the bumper, or you can go with a full ranch style grille guard that goes all the way up to the hood and around the headlights. Now let's take a quick look at some of the features. Now all Stealth Series bumpers are going to have two shackle mounts here on the front. Now the bumper itself does not come with shackles. You can buy those separate. The shackles that I have on here are actually from Rhino USA. I will put a link to those as well as the bumper and everything else in the description below if you want to get it for yourself. So in addition to your two shackle mounts, you're going to have two fog light cutouts on each side of the bumper. These are sized perfectly for 3-inch cube lights, and Road Armor designed these specifically to fit the D-Series lights from Rigid. So you'll notice here I have the D-Series Rigid fog lights here on the front. I have white on the two inside lights and amber on the outside lights. Now if you choose the Stealth Series bumper without the winch option, you will get a longer light bar cutout there in the center of the bumper. You're also going to have two tabs here on the top of the pre-runner bar, so you can mount an additional light bar if you want to. And if you look here on the bottom of the bumper, you're going to have a nice big plate that acts as like a skid plate, and it does have the Road Armor logo laser cut into that. I think that looks really cool. Now let's get in here and take a look at the winch. Now you can put any appropriately sized winch into the bumper that you want to, but Road Armor does offer their own winch, and I decided to go with their 12,000 pound winch. This comes with braided line. You're also going to get a corded and wireless controls to control your winch. Now the winch is just going to come with your standard style winch hook, but I decided to upgrade mine to the Factor 55 flat link. I love how it mounts nice and flat to the front of the bumper. This style of hook is also going to be a lot safer for when you're actually using the winch for recovery. These bumpers are super heavy duty, made from steel right here in America. And that's it for the front bumper. Now let's go take a look at the rear. All right guys, this is the Stealth rear bumper. Now Road Armor does also give the option to put a winch in the rear bumper as well if you want to. You'll notice just like the front bumper, we have two shackle mounts, and one thing that I really like, you have some rear light cutouts here on both sides. And again, these are sized specifically for the SRM series lights from Rigid. I have these wired into an upfitter switch here on the F250, and they work great as auxiliary reverse lights or area lights or whatever you want to use them for. You notice the bumper also has cutouts for the factory license plate lights as well as the rear sensors, so you don't have to give up your rear sensors to upgrade your bumper. You're also going to have cutouts to fit your factory electrical plugs for your towing, as well as your port for getting to your spare tire. Now in addition to that, I also had another hole drilled into here to mount an air chuck for my Viair onboard air system. This is great because all I need to do is pull out my air hose, I hook in here, turn the compressor on, and I can use that to air up tires or anything like that. Now the amount of protection you're going to get from these heavy duty steel bumpers, front and rear, is just unmatched. You don't have to worry near as much if somebody bumps into you in a parking lot or something like that. These bumpers are going to be able to take a lot of abuse. And aside from that, they just look awesome on the truck. All right guys, that is it for the Stealth Series bumpers from Road Armor. These things are super heavy duty. They're going to give a lot more protection for your truck. And like I said before, they just look badass. Don't forget guys, I will have links to these bumpers, the winch, and all the accessories linked in the description below if you want to get them for yourself. If you have any questions, make sure you put those down in the comment section. Thanks for watching guys. Please like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.